everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through our target ROAS calculator using three input variables. As you can scroll through this interface, it's a very nifty to use calculator where we have three input fields required: conversion rate, average CPC, and average order value. So let us break these down a bit further. Conversion rate is essentially, in the context of marketing, the act of turning a prospect or visitor into a paying customer or subscriber or maybe a lead. So, depending upon your marketing goal, marketing objective, ad campaign goal, you have different ways you can attribute a conversion into. As simple as click through conversions, people simply visiting to your landing page or website can be attributed as a conversion goal, or if somebody fills your lead generation form, that can be attributed as a conversion goal, or if somebody subscribe or registers on your website, on your platform, that can be attributed as a conversion goal. And there are multiple other conversion options out there. For instance, if somebody phone calls to your business account to inquire about your product and services, that can be attributed as a conversion goal. So depending upon your marketing campaign objectives, you can attribute different conversion goal. How do we calculate conversion rate? Simply, you have to divide the number of conversions once you have defined marketing objective and your conversion attributions by the number of clicks that you've received, and then multiplying by 100 to get the percentage value. So let's say if you have 10 conversions from form fill, subscription, sign up, and phone calls, and you receive 200 clicks, your conversion rate becomes 5%. Simply, you have divided 10 conversions from 200 clicks multiplied by 100. Make sure that you input only the percentage value over here. Next is the average CPC or average cost per click. It's the amount you pay on average for each click on your ad. So if you spent $2,000 on 100 clicks, your average CPC would be $20. Next is the average order value, which is the average amount a customer spends in a single transaction. So let's say your total revenue from 10 orders is $20,000. Your average order value would be $2,000. Simply input 2,000, hit calculate, and this combination will give you an ROS of 5. So what does this indicate? For each dollar you spend on advertisement, you earn $5 back. Now, see how easy it is to quickly determine your target ROS using these three input variables. Let's say you don't have understanding these parameters, you can also check out our alternate target ROS calculator using two different parameters. You can simply type free target ROS calculator on your Google search engine, and on SERP first link you will see Upgrowth's another alternate calculator being listed. As you can see, here are two distinct input variables to determine target ROS. So there are two ways that you can determine your target ROS. The first former one, which I recently shared using three input variables. If you're not familiar with those variables, you can check out the alternate variable. We have also detailed a video on it. So you can either access that video from SERP, or I'll be linking that video in the description. You can check it out from the description link as well. Now, do try our calculator from the link in the description. If you're looking for a growth partner, book a consultation with a growth marketing specialist. And if you want to understand the nitty-gritties of these terminologies and deep dive more into this calculator and optimize your campaign, so you can reach out to our consultation partners. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online presence. Thanks for tuning in.